Okay, so we're looking at question 4, and I want to show you two ways of solving it. One kind of more normal and one more fake solve, okay? So you have A, B, C, D, and you have E, F, G, H, right? So E and F is somewhere here, such that EB equals FC. So these two are equal, you know? And then you have CG equals DH. So CG equals DH. Okay. And then you're told that CG minus EB is equal to 4. So CG minus EB is equal to 4. Okay. So we know the square is 10, right? So what's CG minus EB equals 4? It could be what, like 6 minus 2 or something? Yeah? So it could be 6 minus 2. Yeah? Okay. And so then this is 2, and this is 8, this is 8, and this is 6, this is 4, and this is 4. Yeah? So that seems to satisfy the problem, yeah? And then you put in the square, or you put in the quad, like that, yeah? You calculate the area. So that looks easy now, right? Who thinks that looks easy? So 2 times 8 is just 8, triangle area. And then 2 times 6 is 6, 4 times 6 is 12, or 2 times 6. And 4 times 8 is 2 times 8, so 16. And you subtract this from 100, yeah? So 100 minus all this. And this adds up to what, like 28, 34, 42? And you get 58, right?
Indeed.
So that's called a fake solve, see? Yeah? It's just one instance of the question, but it gives you the right answer. Okay, and this is something you definitely don't want to do in normal maths. It's just only in exams, okay? It's kind of like, it's almost like you got the problem with a different set of rules, yeah? Okay. Maybe a normal way to solve it. Okay, the normal way to solve it is actually not that different. This is kind of actually how I recommend people do algebra anyway. So if you look at, so the normal way to solve it, it's just like, so this is like loss of generality, right? Yeah. Without loss of generality is the normal way of doing it. So you have like x chord bash.
How can you
No,
chord
no, no,
bash when the
definitely.
points aren't defined?
No, I definitely recommend chord bash. You can chord bash. You can chord bash. Okay, I recommend people do chord bash and all these other methods to try them out on problems they already know is too easy for them. Yeah. So that's, I think I encourage that kind of thing. So this is definitely too easy for, yeah. Okay, I can't remember which one I let be x. I let this one be x, and this one be y. Yeah. So there's another example where algebra saves the day.
You can define the y to be x plus 4. That's how they give it.
Huh?
You can just define y to be x plus 4.
You can. There's a lot of things you can do, but like,
Because kind of, you know from the start of the question that the x's will cancel out. Because that's basically implied what you're meant to do.
so this is 10 minus x, right?
Yeah.
This is 10 minus y. This is 10 minus y. This is 10 minus x. Yeah?
Yeah.
So then the area is, okay, is 100 minus half, yeah? And it's 10 minus y times 10 minus x, yeah? Minus plus xy plus x times 10 minus, have I got x times 10 minus x?
Yeah.
Plus y times 10 minus y, yeah? Okay. So if you've been doing a lot of complex batching and stuff like this, you might actually see that you can factorize the second thing. Yes, you get actually a pretty quick factorization, if I might say so myself. It's like 10 minus y plus x times 10 minus x plus y. Can you see that?
Yeah.
It's exactly the four terms. Like you group them like this. You group them like that, right?
Yeah.
And then you get exactly like, you know, when you do binomial expansion kind of thing, yeah? You get exactly that, yeah? And now this is good because your given condition is x minus y equals 4, right?
Yep.
So one of the, or y minus x, like I don't know which one is which, but you know it's going to be 10 plus 4 and 10 minus 4 in some order, right? Okay, and then you're basically done. I don't know. You know you've done maths for too long if you cancel the 2's before you add the 4 and the 10. So you have a half outside. You can make this a 7 plus 2, 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 times 6
42.
is 42, right? So all rows lead to 58. Yeah, I mean, like, depending on where this is, like, for a year 7, this problem, like, it's not going to go this smoothly, you understand? Unless you already know FAKESOLVE, and then it actually goes pretty quick, yeah? But, like, it's quite a struggle to get to this point. It's just, like, once you do stuff a lot, these kind of time-saving things, they really, you can't expect them to happen, you know what I mean? They just pop out. Alright, any questions about that?
No.
Any offensive comments to negate this video? Nope? Okay.